Welcome. In front of me is Gateway Ultra Slim 17517 laptop, and in this video I will show you how to record screen on this device. So to do that, you can either use a combination of Windows, Shift and R buttons simultaneously, or alternatively you can use a print screen button that is located right here. Now once you use one of these two options, you'll have to select the record option on the top bar right here. Then select an area of your screen that you want to record. You can reshape and resize it by dragging the sides and the corners of your selection. And once you're ready to start recording, you have to click Start. But before we do that, I will also tell you what these two icons do. Clicking this icon will unmute your microphone, and clicking this one will mute your system audio during recording. Now, click Start when you're ready. Let Snipping tool access your microphone, and once the recording is started, you'll be able to pause it clicking this icon right here, stop and save by clicking this button right here, and delete without saving with this icon. Now everything that happens within this selection will be shown on the recording, so when you're ready to stop, just press the red square icon, and you will immediately get the result with your video that you recorded. And as you can see, everything is visible on this video. Now if you want to trim it, use this quick tool right here and trim it to the needed length, then click Apply. If you want to edit it more, you have to go to the clip champ by clicking this icon right here. And if you want to find this video, oh yeah, because I edited it, I have to save it, so click Save if you want. Now to find this video, open the File Explorer, then go to Videos folder, and then here is the edited version of the video. And the full version of the video is within a Screen Recordings folder. And here we can see the full version of the recorded video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.